Alright guys, you're welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a free domain. Let's say you don't have money to purchase a domain right now. I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free domain while you use it and free hosting. But this free domain and free hosting actually have a disadvantage. I'm going to tell you those disadvantages. I'm going to explain to you why I say so. Now, for those of you who have the money to purchase a domain, you do that. You do that. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, if you don't have the money yet, you can go with the free domain. But if you have the money, then I'll encourage you to get a domain and hosting, then build your website. Even if you don't have a business that you want to build a website for the purpose of practice, you should get one, build a sample site. You can begin to use subdomains and build websites or use directory, just like I explained on how you can install WordPress on a subdomain, or how you can install WordPress and in the directory. So now, what do you need to do? And then what is the disadvantage first of all of the free domain? The free domain, for example, let's say the site we're going to get the free domain from is going to be pantheon.io. Pantheon.io. Now let's say for example you get a free domain and hosting from Pantheon. What happens is, on your on your website name or your URL is going to be www.pantheon. Your own name, your business name, for example AB Africa, www.pantheon.abryafrica, maybe .com or .net or but you don't have that opportunity to choose whether it's .net or .what. They have an extension they're going to give you. You understand? So you cannot have you will not, with a free domain and free hosting, you will not have a unique name. You will not have a unique name. Remember, a domain name is actually a unique name or a unique string, something you can just put it that way, a unique website name or the unique name of your website. But if you use this free plan, you are not going to get a unique name. You have a name that is mixed up with Pantheon, or if you get it from WordPress, you go WordPress, you have WordPress within your domain name or within your URL. So guys, let's move on. Just go to your browser, simply go to your Chrome browser, just come to just type Pantheon, Pantheon.io, Pantheon.io. Take enter. Now this is the Pantheon site. This is the site. Now what you need to do is just come here. You see demo, you see start for free. Just click on start for free. Now you scroll down. Whether you're using a computer, whether you're using a laptop, is the same process. Just click on start now for free. Then you go down, you input your information, enter your information. They say enter. My information is already there. I had an account with Pantheon, but I'm going to use a different email. Yeah. Now enter your password. I'll just enter my password, and let me enter my password. Okay, that's my password. I've actually entered my password. Are you an agency? Are you an edu? I'll just take agency and I'll agree to the terms and conditions. Now I'm creating an account. If you don't want this, you can actually just sign in with Google, with your Google account, right? Let me sign up. When you do that, you hold on. Please enter an item. I select my country. I'm going to select Cameroon. I'm in Cameroon of course I'm in Cameroon. Select Cameroon. Then I'll just take sign up. Let's hold on while it loads. Alright, now create your account for free. It's like there is an error somewhere. Your form submission could not be processed. That. Now let me go back. My form could not be submitted. Now let me see. I agree to the terms and condition. Agree. Create account. Click on create. Let me click on create. Let's see what happens. Okay, they are asking again for these informations here. Same information. Let me just fill those informations. Let's see. Same information. enter. Okay, this is where I was supposed to put my last name, my email. Let me enter my email, enter my password. All right, that's my password. Then I'll still have to select my country. If this one doesn't work again, then I'll just sign in using my Google account. Cameroon. What next? Agreed. I'll just agree to all the terms and conditions, then create account. All right, let's just hold on. All right, now my account has actually been created with Pantheon, right? My account has been created. Now I know my email, I know my password. Now I'll just take they're asking if they should save your password. Passwords are safe in Google account, so you can use them on any device. I'll just take it as save. All right, now this is my Pantheon site. This is actually my account has been created. Now I need to log in with email, connect with Google or log in with email. Let me log in with email. Guys, follow this keenly so that you don't have issues. All right, now they say don't have a Pantheon account. I actually have an account, right? The account has just been created. Now I'll have to enter my email. I'll have to enter my password. All right, now I've entered my password. Login. Now they are logging me into the Pantheon dashboard. That's what is happening now. They want to log me into the Pantheon dashboard. So you see here, dashboard.pantheon.io/welcome. I'll save the password. Now just let me enlarge the screen so that you see. When you look here, they will say start a new project. Try with an existing site. Set up your team. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to start a new project, because we're starting a new project. You don't have a project yet. Okay, start a new project. Just hold on. Loading dashboard. My dashboard, Pantheon dashboard is loading. They say create Pantheon site. Now give a name to your site. This is what they're telling you. Name your site. Let me zoom in so that you see very well. Let me zoom. So you see here they say Pantheon site. They say name your Pantheon site. Name your site. Then your Pantheon development site URL. Now when you look here, let me just enlarge so that you see what I was telling you. When you look here, you see https /dev dev, which is development /site /name .pantheonsite.io. You see the way the URL is, right? Now let me say I'm going to create a site for a URL for let me say for example AB Africa. Now it's going to be dev site, that's dev/site /abafrica.pantheonsite.io. So you see the way it is. If you are buying your domain name for AB Africa, it's just going to be www.abafrica maybe .com or .net, .edu or .biz or whatever you want, .cm, whatever you want, right? But now since you're getting it for free, they will have to attach these extensions there so that you don't have a unique name, because it's a free something they are giving you for free, right? You have no option. Okay, I'm not saying that if I'm not saying that if they're giving you something for free, it means you don't have an option. But in this case, right, they don't give you any option. Then they say choose a region for your site. I'll just leave it USA. Now first of all, let me enter the name. Let me just say AB Africa. Africa. Okay, now let's enter the name here, your Pantheon name. Okay, now you see this is the name that has come up here. This is the name here, https /dev-abafrica.pantheonsite.io. This is the name here. Look down here. When you enter the name of your site here, AB Africa, they'll then bring it down here. So you see this is it here, right? Okay, now I've actually taken the region as USA. Let me zoom in. Now you take continue. Just click on continue and hold on. Click on continue and you hold on for it to prepare everything for you. All right, now loading dashboard. Okay, guys, now they say choose your CMS. I believe we all know what CMS is all about, right? We all know what CMS is all about. CMS is actually content management system. Remember I told you there are different content management system. Like WordPress is one, we have Joomla is one, we have Drupal is actually another one. So they are actually different content management system. I don't know why this thing is appearing so weird. So you see CMS, this is WordPress, this is a WordPress logo. Then this another one, this another one down here. Now when you look very well, you see they'll write the name down here, WordPress. This one down here, okay, this is Drupal with Composer, King Composer. Then this is another one, Drupal 7. So the one we are going to be using is WordPress. When you just see this W inside here, you know this is WordPress. Now just look beside here, you see deploy. You want to deploy WordPress on your site. Now just click deploy. When you click on deploy, you hold on, it will loading dashboard again. Now it want to install. This is a process, this is the installation process of WordPress. It's deploying WordPress on your site. It's installing WordPress on your site. Just hold on, let it finish installing. Let's hold on. I'm not going to stop the video. I want you guys to actually see what's happening. All right, let's hold on. Let us all see the way it's going to go. All right, now when it's loading, don't even try to quit that page. Just let it load, just let it install the CMS. Now you see here deploying WordPress. Then you see on top of it deploying CMS, right? The CMS is WordPress. So just hold on, it's going to take some minutes. Let it take the time it's taking to install. Okay, it's really taking time, guys. Time. Let's just hold on. All right, the reason why I want us to hold on for it to do it, so that while the video is moving on, so that when it happens to you, when it's taking time, you don't feel like, oh, am I sure this thing is working? So you see the time is actually taking to deploy my own WordPress, right? Okay, let's hold on. My network is very strong, very okay. So you just have to hold on for it to deploy WordPress for you. So guys, this is actually a secret. I'm showing you how to get a free domain and a free hosting. Though your website name, your URL will not be unique, okay, because the domain you're getting is a free domain. The hosting you're getting is a free hosting from Pantheon. Let's just hold on. All right, guys, everything is okay. Everything is done sharp, right? Okay, now you see here, let me zoom. You see here they say visit your Pantheon site dashboard. Okay, just click on this button, visit your Pantheon site dashboard. That is the dashboard, that is the WordPress dashboard where we'll be doing everything. Now let's just hold on. Pantheon site dashboard, WordPress has been deployed. Okay, all right, now this is your this is not even the WordPress dashboard. This is actually the this Pantheon site, this Pantheon dashboard. So let's see what it has for us. Development mode, SFTL, TP. You just let it be. The admin, this is my admin, this is the name, and this is my admin email. They're saying no changes to commit. No, I think that one is okay. I don't want to change anything. No changes to commit, that one is fine. Okay, all right, guys, let's continue. Now when you want to, like, the email, everything we enter was actually for us. That was our Pantheon dashboard. This is actually our Pantheon dashboard, right? Now we already choose our CMS as WordPress. Now let's proceed. If you want to go to the WordPress dashboard, now we have to input our WordPress login details. Now you see we have multi-dev, we have dev, that's development, we have test mode, we have live mode, like this is your website or something like that. Now just come here to development. Now you see visit development site. then you see visit admin, visit development site, visit admin. Click on visit development site. Click on visit development site. Now you see they say you choose your site area, like like a region for your domain. Now click on continue. I actually leave the United States. Now they say site title. My site title, I'm going to leave it as AB Africa. AB Africa. Username, I'm just going to enter my username. I'll just say now don't think you actually these passwords or all the things I'm doing. After this site, I'm going to bring these things down, so even if you see it, there's no problem. All right, so now I'm going to input my password. This way you input your password. They actually generated a password for you, right? This is a password they've generated for me, but I don't want it. I want to enter my own password which I can remember, because you can copy it and keep somewhere, but it's good to always enter a password which you can remember. All right, so I've actually entered my password. Now I'll enter my email. Let me enter my email. This is going to be your admin email, your WordPress site email, like your email where if they send you information or like email, like a mail on your website, you will receive it. This is my own email. Now search engine visibility, you can enable search engine visibility somewhat so that search engine is going to index your website, but I won't encourage you to do that now, because you are actually doing it for the purpose of practice, just for you to practice, right? So I think since you're still practicing, there is need for you to disable search engine visibility. Now you just go down, you say install WordPress. Let's install WordPress. All right, now WordPress has actually been installed. Now I have my password, I have my username, I have my password. Now I'll just say save password. Then you see here login, right? This is where you have to log into your WordPress backend. Now when you click on login, they are going to ask you your username, they are going to ask you your password. Now let's log in. Let's log in. Now I'll enter my username, or a better still, since I already choose save my password, I'll just enter everything. Then I'll take login. I'll just take remember me, then I'll take login. So you see you are now in the WordPress dashboard, just like the one I explained to you. Those using smartphone, those using computer, you have the same thing. Now remember I told you, if you want to minimize everything on this screen, everything here, because it looks so weird and it looks like maybe it's frightful to some people since it's their first time, so just disable everything. It looks scary, right? So disable everything, send this one back to go back. Now you see here, this is your WordPress dashboard. Now you just come up here, click on these three stripes, just the way I explained in the previous video. If you have not watched the video, do make sure you watch the video. Now when you do that, you come down here, you see everything is the same, right? You want to create post, you want go to appearance, you want to install a theme, just click on theme. Now it takes you to theme. These are different themes, right? You want to search a theme, just come to search theme. Let me search for Astra, just like we did. Okay, now just click on add new. Then you search for Astra. You see they'll give you Astra theme. Search for Ocean WP, they'll give you whatever theme you want. Search for it, they'll give you. If you want to install, just click on the theme, then you install and activate. Don't forget to activate your theme. Then click again here. If you want to install your plugins, you do that. So that is the way you get your free domain and free hosting, guys. I'm pretty sure this video actually helped you. I'm pretty sure this video actually adds value to you. I'm pretty sure by now you already know how to get a free domain and a free hosting with Pantheon.io. So guys, do well to give this video a thumbs up, do well to like this video, do well to subscribe to our little YouTube channel, guys, so that each time we post free content like this, each time we post content of value, guys, you are going to be notified. So guys, see you guys. If you need a video for the computer version of this, first of all, I'm going to do the computer version of this, though it's the same thing, but if you need it, guys, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I will do a computer video, for the computer version of this, and I will post it on the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you'll be reminded whenever I post the video. So guys, see you.